the fastest animal on Earth, the peregrine falcon. Top speed, over 240 miles an hour, in a stoop. Peregrines are so successful, they're found all around the world. Cliffs are their favorite habitat. They provide a vantage point to scope for food. And create updrafts that peregrines use to gain height before they strike from above. The success of most birds of prey depends on a mastery of flight.